Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech It's Simple. Today in this video we are going to learn how to log into Google account. Basically, Google account is used to log into Google applications such as Maps, iPhoto, etc. So it's like one account for all of Google. In order to sign into Google, open a new tab and then go to www.google.com. Here we can see a sign in button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it. And now here, enter the valid email address in order to sign into Google. After that, click on the next button. And here we will have to type the password for the given email address. Then, click on the next button. Here we can see the profile icon has changed. And we are logged into Google account. This is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Do like and share this video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and upcoming tutorials.